Maraming carnapping cases na nangyayari dito. Actually, may rent tangay, merong actual carnapping. Usually, yung mga bago-bagong model, insured naman yan. Ang tanong, pag yung kotse mo ba na insured with an insurance firm ay nakarnap at ikaw ay nabayaran ng insurance firm, o ikaw nag-apply ng payment from the insurance firm at na-recover yung kotse, pwede bang tumanggi yung insurance company na bayaran yung insurance benefits mo? Ayon sa ating Korte Suprema last week, no? Kahit na na-recover yung kotse, yung carnap vehicle, ang insurance company is still liable to pay yung mga insurance benefits ng insurer ng kotse. And in this case, ganoon na nga ang nangyari, nakarnap yung vehicle, isang Jaguar, nung hindi na mahanap, nag-claim siya ng insurance, tapos na-recover siya ng Philippine National Police. At nung na-recover siya, dininay na ng insurance company yung kanyang claim for payment of insurance at dinimanda niya ng yung insurance company for damages. So, ang Supreme Court sabi niya, hindi, kailangan bayaran mo pa rin yan because under Section 249 of the Insurance Code, dapat ang insurer within 90 days after proof of loss, 3 months after proof of loss, to determine yung cost, to determine what was the cause of loss, it should immediately pay the person claiming the insurance benefits regardless of whether or not na-recover yung kotse.